Hello again. I am standing in front of a 2005 Ford Excursion 6.0. This one is leather. It's got the tow package on it. You can tell by the elephant ears for the mirrors. It's leather inside. Look at this. Has 148,000 miles on it, and it is partially bulletproof. We have EGR Delete done on it. This is one of the good ones. It's running great. You can hear it. We've got a replacement stereo there. We've got the center roll console. Very nice. A modified dash from the base model. We're going to sneak down in here and try to show you the odometer. Very good. Whoa. Little camera bump there. That's all right. Look at the condition of these leather seats. I mean, there's not a tear in them. They're in very nice shape. We've got heated seats right there. We've got the power adjust and everything. For its day, it was absolutely top of the line. If you're looking for an Excursion or you're an Excursion fan, you know what you're looking at right here. This is worth every penny we're asking. This one has the power inverter here. Look at the condition of the seats again. Now I'm going to show you a neat little surprise. We're going to move all the way up here and take a look at that DVD player and that big screen. That is great. There's your remote control for it right there, and then the rear radio volume controls. High back bucket seats. Again, beautiful two-tone paint. I know you're looking at the tires and you want to know what the tire tread is. We'll get to that. This is an Eddie Bauer with the Dutch doors in back and the hatch. Third row seat. You can see how nice this is inside. We're going to close these doors and come back to that here in a minute. I want you to get a feel for how tight this body is. It is in great condition. Now, I was talking to you about the tires on the other side. Let's go down there and take a look at those. Those are meaty. You got lots of tread left on that. They're basically brand new or close enough to it. Take a look. Again, just through the interior. Let's sweep across the front one more time. Bring it on back. Now we're going to skip over these seats. We showed you those before. Let's look at the rear seat. Definitely no penalty box. Plenty of room for anybody taking a ride and room for all your stuff. Bigger than a Suburban. Bigger than a Denali, bigger than an Expedition. This is the Excursion, baby. This is how we did it in the early 2000s right here. Let's walk back a little bit and I'll try not to slip on my ice. Look at that. It's a beautiful truck. You know how to get a hold of us. Check it out.